Hey, gearheads and luxury lovers, buckle up. Today, we're diving into something straight out of a James Bond movie. The BMW 760i xDrive protection, the armored beast that's as bulletproof as it is breathtaking. Stick around to see why this flagship 7 Series is the ultimate ride for VIPs. And trust me, you won't believe the tech packed into this tank-like sedan. Hit that like button if you're ready, and let's roll. So, what makes the 760i xDrive protection so special? Picture this, a car that laughs in the face of danger while pampering you like royalty. This isn't just a BMW 7 Series with some extra armor slapped on. It's built from the ground up with BMW's protection core, a unique steel cage that's part of the car's DNA. Certified to VR9 standards, it can shrug off automatic gunfire, grenades, and even explosions. Yeah, this thing's tougher than your average action hero. The windows? Thick, multi-layered ballistic glass. The fuel tank? Self-sealing to prevent leaks. And the tires? Michelin PX run flats that keep you moving at 50 miles per hour even after a blowout. This is next-level security. But don't think this armored fortress sacrifices performance. Under the hood, you've got a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 pumping out 530 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system for that extra kick. With xDrive all-wheel drive and an 8-speed auto, it hits 0 to 60 in about 4.7 seconds. Not bad for a car weighing nearly 2 tons. The adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering keep it nimble, so you're dodging threats and cruising in style. Oh, and the top speed? Capped at 130 miles per hour to keep things stable. But who needs more when you're this protected? Now, step inside, and it's pure 7 Series luxury. Think premium leather, a massive iDrive 8.5 touchscreen, and options like a rear seat fridge or a camera-fed rearview mirror. It's so plush, you'll forget you're in a rolling fortress. Plus, it's got driver aids like Highway Assistant for semi-autonomous cruising, because even VIPs want to chill sometimes. Want it customized? BMW offers flagpoles, flashing lights, or even a two-tone paint job to make a statement. Here's the kicker. This isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're a diplomat, a CEO, or just someone who wants the ultimate in safety and swagger, the 760i xDrive protection delivers. It's pricier than a standard 7 Series. Think upwards of $500,000 depending on specs. But can you really put a price on peace of mind? Alright, folks, what do you think? Is this the ultimate armored ride? Or are you eyeing its electric sibling, the i7 protection? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's get the convo going. If you love this deep dive, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. We're dropping more car reviews, comparisons, and insider scoops every week. Don't miss out. Until next time, stay safe, stay stylish, and keep driving the dream. Peace out.